And that's as close to finished as it's going to get. Look at the stormy weather out here tonight. Whoa. This is crap weather, but we're trying to make the best of it. We've got a lot of jobs to do and very little daylight. By the time we get back from work, there's fish, time left in the day. So we're kind of hanging out for summer. But that's the chicken run. It's a bit of a ratchet job, isn't it? But and when we get wood, we'll stick it around the outside. But in the meantime, it will have to do.